Hi, my name is Likas Panama. This time I will share how to remove noise in photo.
Okay, look at this photo. There's a lot of noise here. This noise is usually caused by an ISO that is too high when taking photos. The trick is to use a slow shutter speed in low light condition so that more light enters, and use a small ISO so that noise doesn't appear. Okay, let's move on the tutorial. First, open the Lightroom application. If you don't have it, download it first. Then add the noisy photo earlier. Click the plus icon next to the camera icon. Select the photo and wait for the process until a notification like this appears. After that, click on the words All Photos and click the photo that we added earlier. Next, click the triangular icon. Increase the value of noise reduction. Adjust the detail section as desired. Don't forget to also increase the color noise reduction. Next, save the photo by clicking the share icon on the top right. After that, click Save to Device.